Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Madam, please share the host, madam. Very good morning, all of you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Today we discussed about the Electricity Act 2003 and the Indian electricity rules, a discussion regarding electricity safety procedures. First of all, this is the before introduction. Electricity Act 2003, the Indian electricity sector was guided by Indian Electricity implemented 19 first implemented act present in syllabus the Electricity Act 2003 only. Before he established implemented Indian Electricity Act 19 and the Electricity Supply Act 1948 and the Electric Regulation Commission Act 1998, the generation, distribution, and transmission were carried out mainly by state electricity boards in various states. Due to the politico-economic situation, the cross subsidies reached an unsustainable level. For the purpose of disciplining state government for tariff determination, the Electricity Regulation Commissioner Act was enacted in 1988. So, to reform electricity sector further by participation of private and bring to competition electricity. Okay, important decisions in Electricity Act. I will share screen. Wait. These are important definitions. Important definition is the Act, Indian Electricity Act. Affiliated terminal means the affiliated terminal for electrical established under Section 10. Appointed date means such a date as a central government may be a notification appointment. Area of supply. Area of supply means these are the important definitions. In previous 2018, one question asked in previous question papers. One question asked in 2018 in IS 105th paper. Indian Electricity Act 2003. Write down 5 marks. Write a short notes on a Indian Electricity 2003. These are the once again, appointment date means such a dates as the central government may be a notification points. Area of supply means the area within the distribution license is authorized by the license to supply electricity. Appropriate commission means central commission referred in the subsection 1 of the section of the state regulator commissioner referred into the section 82 of the joint commissioner to the section 83 in the case. Appropriate means the central government in respect of generating company wholly or partially owned by it in relation to any interstate generation, transmission, trading or supply or electricity. State board means the state electricity board constitution before the commission of this act under section 1 the section of the Electric Supply Act 1948. Board means a state electricity board constitution before the commencement of this act under subsection 1 of 5 the Electricity Supply Act 1948. Next one, next screen I will share you some important definitions. You previously asked for 10 marks. Cap generating plant. Capital generating plant means a power plant set by any person to generate electricity primarily for his own use, include power plant get up any cooperative society or association of a person for generating electricity primarily for use of members of such cooperative society or association. Capital generating plant. Central Commission means definition. Central Commission means the Central Electricity Regulation Commission referred in subsection 1 of section 76. Central transmission utility means definition. Central transmission utility means any government company which the central government may notify under subsection 1 of section 38. Chairperson. Chairperson means the chairperson of authority or a commissioner or the affiliate terminal as the case may be. Next one, 12th point. Cogeneration. Cogeneration means a process which is a simultaneously produce two or more forms, usually including electricity. These are the next screen I will share you. This is a company. Company means important definitions. Company means company. Company means a company formed under the Companies Act 1946 and includes any body corporate under central government. Important definitions. Company. Conservation means any reduction in consumption of electricity. Conservation means reduction in consumption of electricity as a result of increase in the efficiency in supply and use of electricity. Consumer means any person who is supplied with the electricity for his own use by license of the government or by any other person engaged in the business of supplying electricity to the public under this act or any other law for the time being enforce and include any person whose premises are for the time being connected for the purpose of receiving electricity with the works of license and the government of or such other persons as case may be. Dedicated transmission lines. Definition of dedicated transmission line. These are all the important definitions. For suppose write down the important definitions, write down an important definition Indian Electricity Act 2000. You asked in 10 marks example. You get the minimum 10 points, 10 definitions. Company and conservation and dedication transmission lines means any electrical supply line for point to point transmission for of electrical of captive generating plant preferred in a section 9 or generating related generating station referred to in section 10 to any transmission or substations or generating stations or the load center as the may be, as in case may be. Screen I will. These are all the important definitions. These are the important definitions. Wait, continuation. These are distributions. Definition. Distribution license means license authorized to operate and maintain and a distribution system for supplying electricity to the consumers in this area or supply. Distribution main means the portion of any main with which is a service line is or indeed to be immediately connected. Distribution system Distribution system means the system of wires and associated facilities between the delivery points on the transmission lines or the generating station connection, the point connection of the installation of the consumers. Next one, the last point. Electric lines. Electrical means any line which is used. Electrical lines, any line which is used for carrying electricity for any purpose are enclosed. These are the important definition. This 20 important definition. We only write down 10 important definition in exam point of view question asked. Write down 10 important Indian Electricity Act 2003. These are the 10 points enough. Easily score the 10 marks. Okay, next screen I will share you. These are the Indian Electricity Act. These are the introduction. Indian Electricity Act. Indian Electricity Act 2003. These are the introduction. Electricity Act 2003 in kind of business. Introduction. Electricity Act 2003. The need of enactment of Electricity Act 2003 was by the central government the back of the ongoing economic reforms in the country coupled with the power sector reforms in various states. దేశంలో కొనసాగుతున్న ఆర్థిక సంస్కరణ నేపథ్యంలో వివిధ రాష్ట్రాలు విద్యుత్ రంగ సంస్కరణతో పాటు విద్యుత్ చట్టం 2003లో అమలు చేయవలసిన అవసరాన్ని కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం భావించింది. నెక్స్ట్ పూర్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సిబిఎస్ మీన్స్ స్టేట్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ బోర్డ్. SES means state electrical boards which were formed and operating under IE Act. IE means Indian Electricity Act 1910. Already in introduction come Indian Electricity Act 1910 under Act implemented after first established year after Indian Electricity Supply Act 1948 forced for the government to be uniform and unified law to take the current needs of power sector in the various generation, transmission, trading and distribution of electricity. And electricity.
Sir.
చెప్పు మదన్ మోహన్.
సరే లేదు పీపీటీ కొంత మళ్ళీ గ్రూప్ లో చదువుకోవడానికి
పెడతా గ్రూప్ లో పెడతా. ఓకేనా? నేను గ్రూప్ లో సెండ్ మెటీరియల్స్.
ఓకే
ఓకే.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Poor performance of SEBs which perform and operating under Electric Act 19 Electricity Supply Act 1948 first లో స్టార్ట్ 1910 వచ్చింది. as a syllabus only Indian Electricity Act 2003 and Indian law to of the sectors areas of generation, transmission, trading and distribution of electricity. Electricity Act 2003 is a civil legislation which addresses all the keys of the electricity in the country and provides a roadmap for all over overall and uniform development of electricity sector in the country. Means these are విద్యుత్ చట్టం 2003 లో అనేది దేశంలోని విద్యుత్ యొక్క అన్ని ముఖ్య రంగాల్లోని పరిష్కరించే ఒకే చట్టం మరి దేశంలో విద్యుత్ రంగం యొక్క సామగ్రి మరియు ఏకాగ్రత అభివృద్ధి రోడ్ మ్యాప్ ను అందిస్తుంది. These are the next continuation I will share. Next slide I will share with you. This is the purpose of the act. Purpose of the act. Purpose of this act to consolidate the law relating to generation, transmission, distribution, trade, use of electricity, to take measures, conduct development electricity sector, to promote competition in the sector, to protect the interest of consumers, to rationalize the electricity tariffs, to establish regulatory commission and regulate tribunal electricity for electricity, to ensure supply of electricity to all areas, to rationalize tariff and lowering the cost subsidization levels. అంటే దీని యొక్క చట్టం యొక్క విద్యుత్ కన్సల్టేషన్ లాస్ రిలేటింగ్ టు జనరేషన్ చర్య తీసుకోవడం to protect the interest of the consumers, to rationalize the electricity tariffs, and to establish the regular commission and appellate tribunal of electricity, అంటే రెగ్యులర్ కమిషనర్ మరియు విద్యుత్ కోసం అప్లియేట్ ట్రిబ్యునల్ ఏర్పాటు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, టు ఎన్షూర్ సప్లై ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ టు ఆల్ ఏరియాస్, అన్ని ప్రాంతాలను విద్యుత్ సరఫరా ఉండేలా చూడటం. and is during the subsidy levels. And overview of the Electricity Act 2003. Overview. Overview of Electricity Act 2003. అంటే విద్యుత్ చట్టం 2003 యొక్క ఓవర్వ్యూ ఏంటి? Enacted 2003 and given to effect from 10th June 2003. Consists of 18th part, 185 sections and 1 schedules. Total 185 sections in over of Electricity Act. It extends to the whole India except and Jammu and Kashmir. Present it whole India except in Article 360 state of Jammu and Kashmir. It extends whole India, not except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Next continuation. Next slide I will share. These are the new concepts introduced in Electricity Act. In Indian electricity, first of all, 1980, after 1948, after 1998, after implement 2003, present Act 2003. These are the new concepts. What are the introduced, new implemented? National Electricity Policy Tariff Policy Section 3. These are the new policy implemented. National Electricity. New concept introduced in Electricity Act 2003. National Electricity Policy and Tariff Policy Section 3. Next one, separation of electricity trading Section 19, Section 12, 39 and 52. Separation of National Prabhutva Patra and separation of electricity trading Section 19, 29 and 32. అంటే జాతీయ విద్యుత్ విధానం మరియు టెరిఫ్ పాలసీ సెక్షన్ 3 అండ్ separation of electricity trading 21, 39 and 52. అంటే విద్యుత్ వ్యాపారం and introduction open access section 39, introduction of MYT multi-year tariff section 61F, and constitution of affiliate terminal and its functions section 110 and 125. These are the main. Next, right at the next screen. These are the main important. Write down the important silent features of Electricity Act. The total silent features. You asked in 3 questions. Write down the important features of Electricity Act 2000. These 12 points enough. Role of government, rural electrification, role of government, Prabhutra, rural electrification, Gramin Vidyakarna, and generation, transmission, distribution, protection, interaction, trading, market development, regulatory commission, affiliate terminal, tariff principles, CEA, central electricity aggregation, measure against theft of electricity, restrictions of SEBs, state electrical boards. These are the main silent features. What are the important silent features of Indian Electricity Act 2003? This is the very important. This is a very important. This 12 is a very important. Write down, or suppose in exam point of view, Indian Electricity Act 2003. First one, to do the introduction. After silent features of the Electricity Act 2003, after role of government, rural electrification, generation, transmission, distribution, consumer protection, trading, market development, regulatory commission, appellate tribunal, tariff fixes, CA, measuring against theft of electricity, restriction of SAV. These are the important. Wait. Role of the introduction. Next screen. Share. Next screen I will share you. Wait. First one, role of the government. Role of government. అంటే ప్రభుత్వం. Role of the government. This is the first of all we discussed the 12 topics. Role of the government. Central government to operate national electricity policy of section జాతీయ విద్యు విధానం మరియు నేషనల్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ పాలిటీ అండ్ ప్రొవైడ్ పాలసీ కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం సెక్షన్ 3 central government to notify a national policy for rural areas as permitted stand-alone systems based on renewable on non-conventional energy sources consultation with states section 4 కేంద్ర రాష్ట్ర మరియు సాంప్రదాయేతర ఆధారంగా స్వతంత్ర వ్యవస్థను అనుమతి గ్రామాల కోసం జాతీయ next one, central government to formulate the national policy in consulting with the concerned state for bulk purchase of power and management of local distribution through users association, cooperative franchises and panchayatis institutions action section 5. అంటే యూజర్స్ అసోసియేషన్, కోఆపరేటివ్ ఫ్రాంచైజెస్ మరియు పంచాయతీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ద్వారా స్థానిక పంపిణీ యొక్క అధిక శక్తిని మరియు నిర్వహణ కోసం సెక్షన్ 5 గ్రామీణ విద్యాకరణ కోసం. నెక్స్ట్ ఫాల్ నెక్స్ట్ కంటిన్యూషన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కంటిన్యూ రూరల్ ఎలక్ట్రిఫికేషన్. రూరల్ ఎలక్ట్రిఫికేషన్ అంటే గ్రామ rural electrification. Appropriate government to endeavor to extension supply of electricity to all villages hamlets section 6. Appropriate అన్ని గ్రామాలకు విద్యుత్ సరఫరా విస్తరించడానికి తగిన ప్రభుత్వం ప్రయత్నిస్తుంది సెక్షన్ 6. No requirement of license if a person intends to generate and distribution of power in rural area. సెక్షన్ 14. ఒక వ్యక్తి గ్రామీణ ప్రాంతాల్లో విద్యుత్ ఉత్పత్తి మరియు పంపిణీ చేయాలనుకుంటే లైసెన్స్ అవసరం లేదు. సెక్షన్ 14. వెయిట్ Rural electrification. Appropriate government to endeavor to extension supply of electrical to all villages under section 7. No requirements of license if a person intended to generate and distribution of in rural section 14. అన్ని గ్రామాలు విద్యుత్ సరఫరా విస్తరించడానికి తగిన ప్రభుత్వం ప్రయత్నిస్తుంది. సెక్షన్ ఒకే వ్యక్తి గ్రామీణ ప్రాంతాల్లో విద్యుత్ ఉత్పత్తి మరియు పంపిణీ చేయాలనుకునే లైసెన్స్ అవసరం లేదు. జనరేషన్ free from licenses section 17 అంటే తరం generation required for TEC for non-hydro generation done away with the section 7 requirement of TEC for non-hydro generation done away the section 7. Captive generation is from control open access to captive generating plant subject to availability of transmission facility section 9. Clearance of CEA for hydro project and necessary due to the concerned dam safety and interstate issues section 8. CE means central electricity aggregation. Generation for non-conventional sources cogeneration to promote minimum percentage of purchase of power from renewable may be prescribed by regulatory commission section 61H 86(1)(e). అంటే జనరేషన్ లైటింగ్ నుంచి ఉచితం సెక్షన్ 7. హైడ్రోథర్ ఉచితం టీఈసీ అవసరం సెక్షన్ 7. క్యాప్స్టేషన్ జనరేషన్ నియంత్రణ నుండి ఉచితం ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ సౌకర్యం లభ్యత లోబడి క్యాప్టేటింగ్ జనరేటింగ్ ప్లాంట్ ఓపెన్ యాక్సెస్ సెక్షన్ 9. అవసరమైన హైడ్రో ప్రాజెక్ట్ సిఇఓ క్లియరెన్స్ అనకట్టు భద్రత మరియు అంతర్రాష్ట్ర సమస్యలు కారణంగా అవసరం సెక్షన్ 8. నెక్స్ట్ స్క్రీన్ ఐ విల్ షేర్. Transmission means prasar. It would be a transmission utility at the central in the state undertaking a planning development of transmission system section 8 and 9. There would be a transmission utility at the center and in the state to undertake a planning and development of transmission system sections 38 and 30. Load dispatch to be in the hands of government company organization flexible regarding keeping transmission utility and dispatch together or separating them. Load dispatch function critical for grid stability and neutrality as a compared to generated and distributed instructions to binding or both section 26, 27, 31, 38, 39. Load transmission companies to be licensed by the approved commission after giving due to consideration to the views of the transmission utility sections 15(5)(b). The load dispatch generate transmission utility transmission license not to trade in power facilitating genuine competition between generators section 27, 31, 38, 39, 41. The load dispatch generation transmission utility transmission license not to trade in power facilitating genuine competition between generators sectors 27, 31, 38, 39, 41. These are the transmission. Next one, distribution. Next. These are the open access to the transmission license to be provided to distribution license generating company section. This would generate competitive pressure and lead to gradual cost reduction. Next one, distribution company. Distribution to be licensed by SRCS. Distribution of license free to take up generation and generating co-free take up distribution of license. This would be facilitate private sector participation with government and graduate export section 17(12). Retail tariff to be determined the regulatory commission section 62 made mandatory section 55. Provisions of suspension revocation of license by regulatory commission as it is an essential services which cannot be allowed to collapse. Section 1924. Open access in distribution to be allowed SERC in a phase section 42. In addition to wheeling charges provisions for surcharges if open access allowed before elimination for cross subsidy to take care of current level of cross subsidy license obligation to supply section 42. This would give just to choice to customer. Next screen I will share distribution certificate. These are the consumer production. Consumer production. Consumer production. Consumer to be given connection with stipulated time section 41. Penalty event of failure to connection 43. Payment of interest on security deposit section 47.4. Regulatory commission to specify electricity supply code to followed by the license section 50. No sum due to for the consumers recoverability after a period of 2 years unless the same as shown recoverable continuously section 56 and 2. Reducing from for reduction of lenience of consumers to be appointment every distribution license within 6 months option scheme section 42. These are the consumer production. Next one. Next screen I will share. Wait. Rural education. Rural education. Rural education. Next one. Appropriate government to endeavor to extension supply of electricity to all villages. Standard performance required meet standards of performance specified by regulatory commission. Failure to meet standards make the liable to pay compensation to affected person within 90 days. License to furnishes to compensation critically information to standards for performance. District level